Welcome to the Chronodat Help Desk Features video. If you want a brief yet thorough overview of the application, you come to the right place. This application provides a seamless integration of help desk features using Office 365 SharePoint Online. What you'll see in this video are the robust and customizable features the app offers within a very user-friendly interface. The primary objective of Chronodat Help Desk is to create a request and track it to its end resolution. This request process is what's known as a workflow. If your team is Scrum or Agile based, the design of the application will be very familiar to you. The difference in this app's workflow from all others is that it benefits the requester or end user every step of the way. The user receives an email notification each time the request changes status, so that the user knows progress is being made and is then notified at the very end when the request has been resolved. Today we'll be covering the configuration of the application, how to navigate and create a request, how to update statuses, understanding the dashboards that are available, and reviewing the additional features offered. At a glance, the features of Chronodat Help Desk include the following: predefined request categories, subcategories, and resolutions, all configurable according to your business needs. Pre-written configurable email templates for notifications sent to the user. A request board with a drag-and-drop feature for quickly changing statuses. Color-coded built-in dashboards for quick metrics and reporting with no configuration needed. A powerful search engine to find requests quickly and easily. Export options such as Excel, PDF, CSV, and more. A help desk document repository. A team calendar. And built-in security with customizable user access. Once you've downloaded the app, click the red button to review the app settings. The General tab contains settings such as entering the name of the help desk admin. Each time a request changes status, the user receives an email, and you configure the subject line and body of those emails in the subsequent tabs. Each tab is for a distinct status. If you don't want the user to receive any emails, you can simply disable them. You can always go back to this screen and make some adjustments later if you need to. This screen is for defining the high-level categories that your requests will be listed under. Subcategories and support contacts is for defining the subcategories under those high-level categories and designating a help desk support contact for each. The request resolution screen contains the closing resolutions when a request has been evaluated or worked. Navigation options are found in the left margin. There are three sections: a global section for viewing all requests, a user section for viewing your own requests, and a section for help desk documents and a team calendar. To create a request, click the Create New Request button at the top. A form displays. Red asterisks indicate required fields. Simply fill out the form and click Submit. To edit a request, simply click the edit icon next to it. The same form displays as you saw when we created a request. Notice there's a comments field at the bottom for entering comments, editing existing comments, or deleting comments. When you're finished making your changes, simply click Save. Click Request Board on the left to see all requests in a visual display by status. Instead of opening an individual request and changing its status, you can drag and drop for quick editing. Resolving a request is a simple drag and drop. An email notification will be sent to the user each time you change a status, and the email will include a link to the request. This board also gives you a quick indication of who has the most requests assigned to them. Click the request ID to see the details or make changes. Once a request has been changed to a status of closed, it can be archived. We understand the importance of reporting, so forget your Excel spreadsheets and the manual work of chasing down unresolved requests. The dashboards will give you your reporting statistics. Click Global Dashboard on the left. The statuses are listed horizontally above. Active means anything not in a closed or archived state. The large boxes on the top match the tabs below it. Scroll through the tabs to see the respective requests for each status. Notice the pie chart on the right, which gives you a visual of the active versus closed requests. The bar chart gives you a quick assessment by priority for each status. Red indicates high, yellow is medium, and green is low priority. Below the requests is a bell curve chart by category. Hover over the labels at the bottom to see a pop-up with more information about them. The grid below shows you requests by assigned to. This display quickly lets you know how your staff is doing with regard to the requests assigned to each member. This display lets you quickly see who might be overloaded or not have enough work, and you can make any necessary adjustments. Notice the buttons at the top left. These are for exporting this grid. The last area to point out is the recently updated requests. These are the 5 most recently updated requests, regardless of priority or status. If you want to view all requests under a particular status, click View All below it. The page that displays shows all requests for this status in a grid layout sorted by modified date. Notice the same export options at the top left we just saw, which shows the consistency in the app. There is also a search box at the top right, plus buttons at the bottom for paging forward and backward. You can also change how many rows of data display by clicking the button at the top left. An edit icon is located to the left of each request, which opens a form for the request, already in edit mode. The delete icon deletes the request right from the screen. The column headings are sortable. Just click a heading. There is also a handy print icon next to each line for quick printing of an individual request. You can search for requests with the search field at the top right. Just start typing. There's no need to click enter. You can search for any text or number, and the search looks in all columns. Click My Dashboard to see your own individual requests and statistics. The same layout displays as we saw before with the global options, with a graph, pie chart, and bar chart representing the same statistics, so there's a nice consistency here. Click My Requests, then make a selection to see all your requests for a particular status. Again, the layout is consistent with the layout we saw before, only this time it is for your own individual requests. Click My Requests Board to see all your requests. Here you can drag and drop to change statuses just as we saw before. You can upload and store documents for the Help Desk team to share and use. Click Help Desk Documents on the left to get to the document repository. To create a new Word document from where you are right now, click New. You can upload a document right to this location using the Upload button. Instead of clicking Upload, you can also drag and drop files from Windows Explorer right onto the page. You can maintain a calendar for your team in Chronodat Help Desk. Click Team Calendar. And here you could add a team social event, an event about a system outage, freeze periods in your business, and so on. Chronodat Help Desk Security contains configurable access levels. Security is maintained by the Chronodat Help Desk admin, who can grant access by creating a new security group, using an existing SharePoint group in the parent site, or creating access for a view-only user. With the first 2 groups, the admin can grant contribute access or hire, as well as dashboard access. The members can create requests, edit or track requests, and view the dashboards. All the functionality seen in this video is accessible. For the view-only user, this user can track and view his or her own requests. The dashboard access is limited and displays only statistics showing his or her own requests. The screen that the view-only user works in will have fewer options in the left navigation bar as shown here. Have a question? Need some help? Have some feedback? Click Settings on the left, then Chronodat Support. Simply fill out the form and click Submit My Message, or you can call the number listed on the right or send an email to the email address that's listed. To recap briefly, we covered the following topics in this video: configuration, navigation, and creating a request, how to update statuses with the requests board. We looked at dashboards for metrics and reporting, and reviewed the additional features such as document repository, team calendar, security, and obtaining Chronodat Help Desk support. As you can see, Chronodat Help Desk is easy to use, highly customizable, and offers robust built-in dashboards for reporting. You can easily keep track of requests, make sure your team's workload is balanced, and monitor their progress, all real-time within a couple of clicks. In today's fast-paced world of technology, one size doesn't fit all, especially with regards to a help desk organization. Every help desk has different needs, different workflows, different statuses, and that's why we offer user-friendly configuration to fit your unique business and help desk team, but also keeping in mind the requester and making sure that person is kept informed. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video and learn more about Chronodat Help Desk. Download your free trial version now.